How to clear recents on Snapchat. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about clearing your recent searches on Snapchat. So follow the steps to ensure no one can see who you've searched for. So first of all, you have to open your Snapchat application and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now tap on the profile picture in the top left corner of the screen and then click on the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen to access the settings and privacy. Now scroll down to find the option of clear data. Here in the account section, you can clear search history, recent products, your AI data, conversation, and also cache. So to clear your search history, you can tap on the option over here and confirm by hitting on clear again, and this will remove your search history including recent searches. However, some search results may still appear, so to clear those as well, go back to the main screen and then click on the search icon in the top right corner. If you still have some searches left on the screen, you will see the option of clear all. Simply tap on it to clear the recent searches. Now all your search history is clear. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.